Hey guys! JBL C115 TWS Earbuds, with up to 21 hours playback time, launched in India. JBL C115 truly wireless earbuds are the latest offering from the audio company in India. The earbuds have an in-ear design and come with a sleek charging case to keep the JBL C115 secure when not in use. The biggest highlight is the total 21-hour playback that the earbuds are claimed to offer, with 6 hours of battery life offered by the earbuds and 15 hours of earbuds offered by the charging case. It is also said to come with fast charging support, with the company proclaiming that 15 minutes of charge offers 1 hour of playback. If you are in techie and seeing this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button right now. I will make sure to keep you updated on latest products that you missed. The new JBL C115 TWS earbuds are priced in India at 4,999 rupees. They are already up for grabs on Amazon India and are listed in black, mint, red, and white color options. The earbuds are listed with offers like no-cost ME options, Amazon Pay Later cashback, and up to 1 year Hungama Music subscription. The JBL C115 TWS earbuds come with 5.8mm drivers and supports Bluetooth V5.0 for connectivity. They have autonomous connectivity with mono and stereo mode, so you can enjoy music or make calls with either one or both buds. The earbuds come with an in-ear design and is bundled with 3 sizes of ear tips in the box. Product is priced at the MRP of 7,999 and selling at the offer price of 4,799 from Amazon. Discounted links are provided in the description. Please support my channel by purchasing product from those links. JBL C115 TWS earbuds are claimed to offer 6-hour playback with the earbuds and 15-hour additional playback with the case. This means the earbuds are capable of offering 21 hours of playback in total. They come with touch controls to enable hands-free calling, activating voice assistants, and changing music. The earbuds support Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa both. They support JBL Pure Bass to enhance the sound. There's a USB Type-C charging cable bundled inside the box. And the earbuds are listed to weigh 73 grams with the case. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.